your sticker that comes in the box in the plastic bag up level, and give yourself plenty of room so you don't hit this lip. And roughly your intake pipe is on the left where the B is, this one right here. So you roughly want that in the middle, and our pipe's gonna go all the way as far across on the inside. All right, go ahead and drill the holes. Go slow. You can speed up, you just can't, you gotta be careful. Going? Okay, so your long pipe goes in this side, and your short pipe goes in this side. And the easiest thing to do is you have your little tab there, you put that in, you push it in, and you turn it, and then it locks into place. We've already put our red stopper in, that goes on the far end. And we push this in and turn it, and the holes need to go in the direction of the airflow. So the air is coming up, so the holes are gonna be down. And then just slide it in like this. Oh, you didn't go all the way through? Oh, and then we're gonna screw that into place. Put your 2 screws in right here through the sheet metal. It works good if you do a little self-tapper, like a 3/32 before, and then drill the screws in. Or if you can push hard enough, you can just do the screws. You also wanna knock this one out here so that we can route the wires in. All right? Your wires nice and neat across. This wire is the one that goes upstairs, which goes to 8 and 9. So red will go to 8, black will go to 9. 11 and 12 and 13 are the control wire for the key switch, and that goes black, yellow, or I'm sorry, red, yellow, black. And then 5 and 6 are our 2 commons, the in and the out for the smoke detectors. So dress this in. You can put a little slack loop over here on the side. And this is going to 8 and 9, so it just goes right there. Okay, so your remote that goes to the key switches is right here. And we're doing red, yellow, black to, what is that, 11, 12, and 13? 5 and 6 are your in and your out that go to the next device, and then 8 and 9 go to the rooftop unit, and I'm putting red on 8 and black on 9. And so basically just use a little slack in here, make it nice and neat, come up. And so how I do it is I identify the one going up to the roof first. That's this one, because you have 3 18-2s right here, so it's a little confusing. So you ID the one that goes to the rooftop unit, which is right here, and you put that in, and then I put this in because it's a floor wire, and I just wrap the other one around the back of the cable in case for some reason we needed it. And then your other 2 go on 8 and 9. And it's super easy. We do it like that, and then we'll come back later and put the smoke detector in once the program. If you have all the wires in, go ahead and put the cover back on. And just do maybe, tighten these 2 up a little bit so it holds, because we have to come back and put the smoke detector in. But we'll put a little tie wrap right there to make that nice and tight, and then we'll be good.